In this video, I'm going to show you how I pin two of the Peekaboo Reverse Applique blocks together such that I get these points to line up as best I can. So here are two of my blocks. I'm going to put right sides together. You're using the Peekaboo fabric on the back to line up the edges, and then I'm lining up the ends. And then I'm going to peek inside and see how these points are lining up. In this case, it's lining up pretty well. If it's not, I'll just shift it slightly so that they are. And then I pull the pins, get the layers together, and then I'll sew it. Because I'm dealing with actually 6 layers of fabric here, I do backstitch a little bit at each end. And then once they're sewn, I do press the seams open. You're dealing again with 3 layers of fabric, and trying to press it all to one side would make it too thick. So that's how I sew my blocks together.